Hi guys, welcome to my Sims Plumbob tutorial. I made one a really long time ago. It wasn't good, y'all. So I've always wanted to come back to it and make it as legit as possible. So here we are, and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a flexible plastic green binder. I got this from the dollar store. So for a template, there are already so many out there. I picked this one. I'm going to salvage our plastic from the binder. From here, I'm just going to slip our template underneath and then use the X-Acto knife to score around the black triangles. So once I've scored over the pattern, I'm going to go again around the outside edges, this time with a little more pressure so I can cut the shape out. And don't worry if it's not completely 100% perfect. I've made so many of these things at this point, and all of them sort of come out with little imperfections here and there. All we're gonna do from here is fold the plastic on the line that we scored earlier. The scoring really helps us get a nice, clean, defined line. After that, you'll have something that looks like this, and you'll want to repeat all of the same steps we just did to the other sheet of plastic. And then you want to close your bottom piece with a piece of packing tape. So if you wanted to do a regular plain plastic Plumbob, I think that's totally fine. It'll still look amazing, but I wanted to bring mine up to the next level, so I decided to incorporate lights. I'm using two small white battery-powered twist-on LED lights. Take a small piece of leftover plastic from the binder, and then I try to get it to the length of the Plumbob. And then from here, I'm gonna hot glue each tea light, top and bottom, on both sides. And I try to keep the placement more towards the center. And then to secure the lights to the inside of the Plumbob, we are still going to be using hot glue. We're gonna use just enough on the edge. And I also like to do this one side at a time. So then I sealed everything up with more packing tape. So if you're like me and you have little holes, here and there, don't worry, it's all gonna work out and look great in the end. And I would suggest leaving this back piece open, that way you can get inside and turn the lights on, and then you can just use another piece of tape to seal it off in the back. To make the Plumbob appear as though it is truly floating above our heads, I'm going to be using a clear plastic straw. These are the kind that you would use for reusable cups. I then secured the end of the straw to a headband. Now, I used a thin plastic headband because I wanted it to be as undetectable as possible. I would suggest using a thicker headband, of course, for the sake of stability. Otherwise, you will have to pin the headband to your head to make it extra secure. To secure the other end of the plastic straw to the headband, I used more hot glue and duct tape, which I know seems a little crazy. To secure the Plumbob to our straw, I'm going to be using, you guessed it, a little bit of hot glue. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. And of course, let me know what you think down in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more videos like this and other fun things. And until next time, please take care and stay well.